Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're having a dinner. What was that? So welcome to my YouTube channel, Australianang Bisaya, and today we're having a dinner with our beautiful friends. So where are we gonna go? Going to Korean barbecue. Barbecue. Oh, look at that, so windy. Huh? Where are we going? Yeah. We go across the road. Wait.
Yeah, this red, I like it. That's this red. Yeah, that's green color. That's
Yeah. Your favorite color?
I want to try. Yep.
So,
Hold on, walking shop. Walking shop.
yeah. This is in the town now. It's very quiet kasi.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It's a powerful. It's a good match with my.
So that's the place that they were going to. Korean barbecue. So they're not open yet, guys. So we're gonna go. It's all closed. So that's the place there. We're waiting when they are open. Early bird, so we're very cold, freezing. $10 for lunch. But today is dinner. Oh, because the Korean barbecue is not open, guys. We're going to the chemist barbecue. We're going to the chemist warehouse. That's the inside. We're gonna buy a beauty product.
Lovely. Question. So what's the
Yes. Baho tae man. So we're going Yes, we're going back to we're going back to the Korean, yeah. So someone did a shit. That's so quiet, guys. The road now still closed.
It's like
That's a gym there. And that's the Korean barbecue that we're gonna going to. So during lunchtime it's $10. So come and join us. You're here inside. So come and join us. For our dinner. What's the place, guys? Inside.
I had a booking on the Leah.
We can go in the quiet place so that we can eat properly. Hand sanitizers. Uy, hindi mo dinuok.
Hindi din ako. Tagalog na yan. Bisaya.
So we're here. Hello. So that's the organizer. It's time to order now. We're gonna open the page.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness. That's inside. That's the. Hi. Hello. This is our first time here.
No, I told you.
So this is the menu, guys. Kakurai. So what we're having for today is pork belly. What else? Oh, there's a mixed combo. 4 people, $88.
Yeah,
No, this is my first time here, guys, kasi hindi naman talaga ako Korean fan. So that's outside. So wala pang tao. So
Yeah.
quiet.
yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Yes, they have fried.
People fried vegetables.
What do you think? We pick number.
Give us vegetarian because we got the meat. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yes, we have fried rice. We have rice. Yeah, rice is life.
What would you like to drink?
So we
Oh, there's a rice.
alcohol drinks on that side and non-alcoholic discount.
Okay. Yeah, so
Where's the drinks? Guys, there's no food yet.
I'm being honest.
I don't know how to use chopsticks. Chopsticks. I know how to use my hand. So, thank you. And to be honest, this is my first time here because hindi ako mahilig sa Korean food. So that's for dinner, guys.
The one at the
So rice is life. So that's the
rice is life.
look what we got there.
This is what then you do.
You need to cook.
See, you should.
First,
You're gonna start suba-suba.
hello. Dinner is ready. So we're starting our subi.
Yeah.
Before we eat. So that's it. Turn over.
Yeah. You too. Thanks for the call, then.
More potatoes.
No, you don't have to bend it.
So it's in the middle of it. Okay.
The one that made to wear, right? Left?
Are you okay? Okay, a little bit.
I'm alright. From there, right?
Maybe you're not there.
Down there. There.
Hearing you.
No, I can eat it.
And then it's cooked. You can put it in your plate.
Yeah. Yeah. It is the pork, right? Yeah. It's almost close. It's a kimchi. Is that what you're saying?
So rice is like plain. Oh, it's the cooking is the people.
Yeah.
Uh, 10 seconds, okay?
Yeah, our at the front. Yes, what? Pwede mapasok ano?
10.
Where are you then?
Yeah. Yep.
The video by please. In the middle, please. I'm going to show you.
Yeah, this is already cooked, right? There is nothing.
You like it?
Very well. So probably go a little bit more. Under the pumpkin.
We can eat slowly and enjoy it.
Yeah.
This is
About my.
why you looking like that? Yeah, you can put anything in the side dish if you want.
This is a mushroom. It's cooked, isn't it? Yeah.
Kimchi.
That's good.
And then how to put you put
And then I will put lunch because I know you don't know.
What the content that I
Couldn't kaya, very tired. Kaya was still. No, kaya na.
electric blanket. Hindi kayo mag-sacrifice kasi hindi kayo makakain.
This food. Let's cook this food there. I think guys.
Aside and then
Oh, hindi ka potato. Wala potato. For the then the basket.
Yeah. Started to fill up.
Yeah.
Korean. I'm busy eating.
Yeah. And then just slow it down later. Just put aside.
Yes, let's do it. You want to turn it up? Our dinner, guys. So yan. The green leaves still there. Rice gone. Rice.
of course, guys.
Rice is like, and there's still some barbecue left. Call a friend. Before and after. There's a scissors. There's a tongs. So yeah, this is our dinner, guys. So we're very, very full. Hello, bitch. Happy? Happy tummy? So that's the leftover.
No bring home.
No, no bring home because you didn't bring a Tupperware. Plastic. So it's really burnt. Sobrang. Gusto kong ilagay sa bulsa ko, guys. Hindi ko ilagay sa bulsa. How much we pay, guys? It's not that cheap, pero we're having fun, guys. So doesn't matter how much it costs as long as you're having fun and you enjoy your dinner. Hello. Nampiling. Guys, we're going home now. And
With Ferrari?
yeah, with the Ferrari. The owner of the Ferrari. Ay, wow.
I lost
Why?
the key.
Yes. Why? We're here. Why? Wow. Wow. Sana all like a Ferrari. So, where's the owner of that? Because we're gonna
You know what?
we're gonna say hello.
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer or poo?
Yeah, who is fertilizer?
Human poop. So
Chicken poo.
we finished our dinner, guys. So we're wandering around town. It's done. It's very cold. Even it's not winter yet. Oh my God, freezing. It's after our dinner. We're having a good, very important. We're gonna sell an empty bottle to pay our dinner. Help, Dai. Oh, it's really cold. So freezing. My God. Oh. Oh. Hmm? Scan, yeah.
the barcode.
Ah, why? What's that for?
So the money is going to my account.
Oh, really? I don't know that because I just get the paper after. So we need to get the money back for our dinner. Ah, I'm shivering. It's really, really cold. Ooh. What happened? Ah, that's why. I need to buy like that too.
I think about it now. I'm thinking about it.
Kayod mga bes. It's a good friend here. Orang salah. Silver here is the save and earn. That's it?
Yeah.
Only 2 baskets? 3 baskets.
Yeah. Then all the young glass.
Mm.
That's all the young plastic. And the card. Yeah, I'll take a picture of that.
So that's it, guys. So say something like, what thing is about our dinner tonight?
Yeah. So cool.
So full.
What's
And we need to going back there
Then I was beautiful.
to pay the bills. We didn't pay the bill yet.
So you just go that, and I'm gonna have to go around.
Yeah. Or actually, you can go back there in the bridge.
Yeah.
And they-
Yeah, just do the bridge.
Yeah,
And just go there.
instead of turning around. So guys, this is it. This is the end of my vlog. So see you next time. Please like, comment, subscribe. God bless. Bye.
Comment and subscribe.
Big thumbs up.